Have a website and want to turn it into a mobile app? With Appy Pie, it's fast, simple, and code-free. Start by visiting the Appy Pie website to App Converter page. Enter your website's URL and click Convert to App. Sign in or create a free account to begin converting your website to app. To proceed, choose a plan and upgrade your app. You'll now land on the App Manager dashboard, where customization begins. Here, you can even update or replace your website URL. Make visual changes like adjusting colors, opacity, borders, text, and spacing. Enhance your app with additional features like photos, videos, or social networking tools. Click the App Manager icon at the top left to go back to your app dashboard. Edit your app's design elements and core system pages from here. Once you're happy with your app, click Save to secure your changes. A pop-up will show a QR code. Scan it to test your app on real devices. Ready to go live? Click Publish Now to launch on the Google Play Store and App Store. And that's it! Your website is now a mobile app. Keep editing, keep growing with Appy Pie.